Welcome everyone. Game between Central Sunrisers and Spur Warriors just concluded. Kind of a funny game today. Spur Warriors not coming up with the bat today, and then Central Sunrisers just chasing that down below 10 overs. Really interesting play today. I would like to call to the front Herman van Zyl, captain from Spur Warriors. Herman, tough day with the bat. I think you guys did come to the game with the bowling. Really did well at the start with the bowling, and then young Liam also coming in and taking in wickets. Just take me through your day. Where do you think you guys came short? I think we had a chat about it, but realistically, how do you see the game?
Yeah, like I mentioned, I started with the wrong decision. I should have bowled first, not back. Didn't come off like a bat. Like I said, we don't have the depth that we usually do. So when the top five didn't come down, then I knew the runs wasn't enough. Bowling, like you said, we tried very hard, but the runs was never enough. Not on this field. It's quick. It's easy to score. So.
Bit unfortunate there with the bat. You yourself got out maybe too easy, and then the young Tian as well. Usually a formidable batter. Certainly would have changed the game if you two stuck in there.
Definitely, but I have to give it to them. They bowled very well. Great Yorkers. Normally not three in a row, so I give it to them. They bowled very well.
Herman, thank you for a stunning game. Safe travels back home. Then I would like to call to the front, standing in captain for the Central Sunrisers, Francois Fouchier. Francois, sorry, already on the captain. I'm already on the second Francois, apologies. Francois, you're standing in captain. Just your view on the game today from your side?
Okay, we came up to this morning and we just said, like, listen, this is a big game for us. We need to win this, and we need to win this properly. And yeah, with Sean and Tian with the batting, it was a display that we wanted the run rate to show a little bit higher. So at this point, if I'm correct, we're standing third in the log. We're very happy. The bowling was brilliant. The fielding was brilliant. A lot better than yesterday, of course. Yeah, we made the right decisions. The calls that JP made with the changing in the bowlers and the batting lineup, everything just worked out this morning.
A bit of nerves creeping in there when VP Marburg lost his wicket early.
Yes, we were joking because we said, yeah, anything can happen in a cricket game, like everybody knows. We said batting collapse, JP will come in at 11 and just finish the game for us.
At the end of the day, losing the toss, I think, worked in your favour.
Yes, you see, JP wanted to bat first. He said he had a 50-50 call, yes, but luckily it wasn't made for us. Like I said, we showed up with the bowling and the fielding. I think 6 wickets were bowled out, and we just showed up, and I'm very proud of the boys.
Francois, thank you.
Thank you very much.
All the best for the next games, and yes, rising on the log.
Yes,
nice to see.
Thank you very much.
Then I would like to call to the front, man of the match, Francois Fouchier. Sean Fouchier, sorry, Sean Fouchier. Sean, sorry, yeah, mixing you two up there again. Sean, yesterday looking good with the bat, looking good with the ball. Today again, bowling, you had 1 over, took 1 wicket, only stood off 1 run. Was that just part of the game, bowling yourself 1 over, or was that the captain's decision?
So the captain told me before the game, actually, he asked me if I want to bowl today, and I said I will take the first over, and after that we can change it up to give the youngsters a chance.
Good. 100 plus score yesterday, 48 today of just at 32 balls. Really doing well with the bat. Seems like your eye is now in.
Yeah, I think yesterday did wonders for me, so it just gives that bit of momentum for me going into today's game, and yeah, it worked out well today as well.
Confidence looking good. Sean, congrats on the man of the match, and best of luck for the next games coming up. Thanks. And I would like to call to the front Tian van der Merwe. Tian, congratulations with impact player of the match. Really doing well with the bat today. Just a handshake there from that. Tian, how did you feel out there today with the bat in hand? Was there something different? Was the pitch playing easy? Different from the other games?
Yeah, I think I backed myself today, and I just think we had fun out there. I mean, the pitch is flat, so nothing really, and I mean, it's just good batting all around.
After the win from yesterday, bit of pressure off on you guys. It looked like you were enjoying it outside there today. Really fielding well from the whole team, and you yourself batting well. So It feels like you guys are now pumped a bit. Can you give me some feedback on that, maybe?
Yeah, I think so, but still, like, I don't think we're holding back. I think if you win a game, you don't want to lose the next one. You obviously want to keep that momentum. So.
Then congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best for the next games coming up. That concludes our prize ceremony. Hope to see you in the upcoming game just after this.